Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Truly Smooth Love Mixture Truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.08% in most recent 60 minutes. SLP generally has a genuinely complete market cap of $91,686,923 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,166,088 incredibly. This in a real sense makes Truly Smooth Love Mixture positioning at 260 in the cryptographic money market in an exceptionally large manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will especially Smooth Love Mixture really be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, or so they especially thought. Is somewhat Smooth Love Mixture a by and large wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Will SLP cost by and large outperform its untouched high, which is very huge? These fundamentally are our very Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP's future. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2023 amazingly. As per the Smooth Love Mixture figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the SLP cost especially is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $0. The normal kind of least value worth of certainly Smooth Love Elixir toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to explicitly be $0 a sort of huge manner. Besides, SLP can arrive at a really greatest value level of $0, which in a real sense is very huge. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $0 a sort of enormous manner. Smooth Love Mixture cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP Value Figure June 2023. The by and large Smooth Love Elixir estimate for June 2023 expects that the SLP may in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0, a really least cost of around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Discussing the especially normal value SLP can in every practical sense stretch around $0 June, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP Value Gauge July 2023. Concerning July 2023, beautiful Smooth Love Elixir essentially is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The SLP cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, the kind of typical cost around $0. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the sort of greatest cost for especially Smooth Love Elixir could truly stretch around $0, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in August 2023 explicitly is $0, an exceptionally normal cost of $0, which is very huge. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture September 2023. The Smooth Love Elixir cost for September 2023 may generally arrive at an especially least worth of $0. The truly greatest gauge cost really is around $0 in unobtrusive manner. The typical cost for SLP in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to generally reach $0 September 2023, which generally is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture Value Gauge October 2023. The kind of normal cost of exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir could generally go to $0 the finish of October 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. SLP could essentially be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0, the very least expected cost of $0, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, essentially Smooth Love Elixir cost in a real sense is figured to arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir Value Figure December 2023. The for the most part Smooth Love Mixture cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at a truly least worth of $0. The by and large greatest estimated cost basically is around $0, which is genuinely critical. The sort of typical cost for SLP explicitly is for the most part anticipated to really reach $0 December 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The exceptionally Smooth Love Potion S cost has shown a for the most part great increment of 1.82% in the very most recent 24 hours. Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins in a significant manner. The SLP for the most part is down to nearly 14.28% in the by and large most recent 7 days in a very huge manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely beyond couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for genuinely yet we don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in present moment, exhibiting how the coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for exceptionally past by and large couple of days. The coin could generally serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 26.459%, dispensing with an incredible essentially normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth in a by and large huge manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good truly purchase an open door for especially fast interest in a sort of huge manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 19.05%, and the cost certainly flowed from a base exceptionally normal cost of $0 by and large greatest sort of normal cost of $0 the specific beyond 90 days. In every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In fundamentally most recent 4 months in every way that really matters, smooth love mixture has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Accordingly, we really believe that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, which is genuinely critical, as per the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of truly smooth love elixir certainly is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin certainly is up by 5.60% with the truly most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin by and large was around $0. The especially least essentially normal cost of in a real sense was around $0 kind of beyond 4 months. Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be somewhat Smooth Love Mixture truly worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? The SLP cost in a real sense is guanched to for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0 essentially least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does especially Smooth Cherish Mixture have a future? As far as cost, especially Smooth Love Elixir sort of has an extraordinary kind of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, which basically is very critical. It especially is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem, as opposed to mainstream thinking, as per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Especially Smooth Love Elixir can generally raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of 1 cent till 2030 incredibly. Is Smooth Love Elixir pretty worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Smooth Love Potion's worth is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as deficiency will in general empower cost ascend in an unpretentious way. If it's not too much trouble, note, there by and large is a gamble to any interest in every way that really matters, significant way. Just basically put resources into what you can explicitly achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the kind of most extreme exploration conceivable, which really is genuinely huge.